if you are wondering what is the AnTuTu score of a OnePlus 15R, then over here I've got the result. As you can see, I managed to get 2.7 million points. Of course, this result is always different. Whenever you make the benchmark, it is always different. It is not always exactly the same. Of course, the change or the difference between the result is not really that huge, but something that you need to keep in mind. We can also see the score of CPU, GPU, memory, and UX. And of course, we can see the change in the temperature, which is pretty huge. The phone starts overheating at some point, and it ended up having 46 degrees Celsius, which is of course quite a huge temperature, actually quite hot. And it also felt really hot even now. After like a couple of minutes, it still feels quite hot to hold the phone. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.